equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo Legion 516 IRX8. This process can significantly improve your laptop's performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger for safe handling of components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the upgrade. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots. They are usually near the center of the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for professional diagnosis without obligation. To remove the existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module. The module will pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out. Take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle and press down until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. If you're upgrading to a higher capacity, ensure that the new RAM is compatible with your system. Check the specifications on Lenovo's website or consult with a professional. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or damage during use. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Enter the BIOS setup to check if the new RAM is recognized. If everything is in order, you're all set to enjoy improved performance. Remember, if you encounter any issues, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, just a simple pickup and delivery service at your home. Happy gaming! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.